done inserting the boning, I'm going to just hem. I'm going to hem the bottom part. So after you're done, okay, run a stitch, okay, down on the corset. This is how it looks, guys. So if you want the shape more basque, you just have to bring it out and bring it back. Okay. So if you want it straight, you just do it straight. If you want it more heavier than this, just do as you see fit. Okay, so now that we are done, we're going to be attaching our net, our tool. Okay. So I'm going to first of all attach the front. Okay. So this is the front now. Okay. I'm just going to put it on it like so. Okay. And pin. Right. So I just make sure it's half inch in and pin. Okay. Make sure your boning is not getting in the way. Then you flip it over like so. Okay. Then you continue with the pinning. So you arrange this. This is our side seam. Okay, so this is going to be here on our side seam like so. Okay, so this is our side seam. So I'm just going to pin it. So I'm going to run a straight stitch at the top, very close to the edge, and then once I'm done, okay, I'm going to match this to the side seam for the back, and then continue with the same process. Okay, yes. So I'll do that, come back and show you the next step. Okay, so I'll do the front and the back. So I'll do the front first before I tackle the back. This is how it's going to look on the front. Okay, yes. So I'll come back soon. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks on the inside. Okay, you see, tool does not fray, so you can leave it this way, or you can go ahead and overlock this. Okay, or you can, you know, overlock it before you attach it to your corset. So this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is a drop shoulder. Okay, yes, like we drafted, this is a drop shoulder. Okay, so yes, guys, now the next thing is to tackle our underlay. Some people call it overlay, whatever. So we're going to be doing that. I'm going to set our corset aside, and then we'll tackle that. So I have my pattern, my fabric here. Okay. I'm going to measure. First of all, I'm going to measure the length at the back. Okay, so measure this side, measure the length first. So this is 11.5 inches. Okay, so I'm just going to cut 11.5 inches for my underlay. Okay. the width is going to be 8 inches, and you can just use one side of your the back panel of your corset is, so 8 inches is okay. So that is what I'm going to use. You can even do 6.5 inches, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to do 8 inches, then I'll sew, and then it will be left with what I have. So let's cut our underlay. Yeah, so this is my rule. Okay. I'm going to measure 8 inches. So this is 8 inches, okay, by 11.5 inches. We're going to be sewing this, so let's make it 12.25. Okay, I'm going to be sewing this a quarter. Right, so I'm cutting this out before that one this side. My fan is displaying this morning, so hot. So I can't stand it. So it's 8 inches including our sewing allowance. Okay, so with this I am going to be adding my paper stay, and I'm going to iron this with a paper stay. So I'm going to stitch, after ironing my paper stay, I'm going to stitch around here, okay, to here, somewhere here. I'm going to flip it over to the right side, and I'm going to iron this, and then I'll show you the next step in how to attach our underlay. Okay. Okay, so this is where our velcro comes into play. Okay, so this is our corset. You need to identify the left and the right side. Underlay is done. I iron my bit of stiff in it, so it looks stiff. So this is where the corset comes to play. So this is our left side. So you just place it anywhere. Like I'm going to place it after this bone. There's boning here. I'm going to place it right after the boning line. So I'm going to measure the boning where I'm going to place it. So it's 1.1. So I'm going to flip this over and measure 1 point, and measure and then mark where I'm going to place my underlay. Okay, so you can mark this out you want. Okay, right. Yeah, so just I'm going to place it after the bone line. So this is how you should place it where the stiff is, the stiff part should come out, and the place you've not attached it should go inside. Okay, so just place it on like this, right? Yes, and then go ahead and run your machine left. Okay, so let's spin it down. Okay, like that. Yes. So I'm just going to run a straight stitch, and then now my velcro. Okay, so this velcro is I'm going to place my velcro here, here, and here 3 times. Okay, 1, to the, this is optional, you can just choose to leave it, but I will be using my Velcro because I want it to stay fit on my client without moving around. Okay, yes. So that is why I'm adding Velcro to this. Okay, so let me just pin this in place. Just pin my Velcro in place at the back here. Okay, yeah. So you can. So this one my Velcro is going to stay, and the other one here. Okay. So you can make it 3, which I'm going to do. Okay. Yes. So I'm going to hold this down so my Velcro on, and come here somewhere, and then the rest of the Velcro I'm going to attach it doing the fitting. Okay, when my client is about to wear or wears it, I will now find the position of this because it needs to fit her, and corset, the corset needs to be adjusted before you can really know where exactly to put your Velcro. So you can't just fix it. Come back, and then when you come back, I already have a video on how to fix the eyelets, so do check it out. When I come back, I will be done with fixing my eyelets. This is the end of my tutorial. I'll be showing you the final look of this very soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I am going to be seeing you guys share this video. Okay, most of your friends would love to do something like this, so please share the video so that other people will know how to do it. And also don't forget to share my channel. Please subscribe to the channel, give your girl more views so that we can get rolling, we can keep doing good things, we can bring more good stuff to you. And also please don't forget to comment on the video you like me to make, a dress you'd like me to make a video on. Comment down below and I'll be sure to upload that. So I hope you are happy now that my corset tutorial is finally out. Stay blessed and see you next week. Bye. Okay, so guys, my eyelet is fixed. Okay, now I use this glue, okay, to kind of, after I get the hole, I use this glue to secure the ends of the fabric before I put my eyelet, and then before I put the washer, I put it around before I put my washer, and then I hem. So I have a video on how to fix the eyelet. Make sure you check that out. It's going to be somewhere in the description box. Okay. So for my Velcro, guys, for my Velcro, okay, I'm going to be attaching it somewhere here, but that will be after my client has worn it. So guys, I had just started beading, okay, so I was just dealing with the necklines in the armhole area, okay, and then after that I used her kente color combination that was red, white and gold to bead the rest of her top. Okay, so around the neckline, the armhole, and then the back, I used those color combinations. And then on the main dress, I set some pearls at the down part, which I am going to be uploading a video on how to set your pearls and also how to make beading. All right, but not now. But so if you want to see how I do my beading, please let me know so that in the next project I'll be able to film something for you guys. So enjoy. This is how she looked on her day. She was so pretty. Yeah, and that's how her back looks as well, guys. She was so happy on her day. So roughly this corset took about 2 days to finish, and then the beading also took like 2.5 days to finish because I was not really serious with the beading.